सुबह से लेके रात तक, one of the busiest section of your house is always kitchen. For the person who spend most of the time in a kitchen, a managed kitchen countertop comes as a blessing. It does not happen on its own. One has to put efforts for it. चाहे खुशियों की बात हो या फिर कोई आपसे नाराज हो, many things can be fixed. But the mess which you get in your kitchen is real. Waking up in the morning with a clean countertop gives you a fresh start to the day and allows you to get what you need in seconds. Luckily, keeping your kitchen countertop managed and organized is possible, which brings us to our first point, planning. किसी भी स्पेस को प्लान करते समय अपनी नीड और कंफर्ट को ध्यान में रखें। उस तरीके से आप उसे आसानी से मैनेज कर पाएंगे। अपने किचन स्पेस को एक वर्क स्टेशन की तरह समझें, जिसमें कि आप एक क्लिक में ही बहुत सारे कामों को आसानी से कर सकते हैं बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के। ध्यान में रखें कि चीज़ें आपके लिए काम करनी चाहिए, आप चीज़ों के लिए नहीं। People may give you hundreds of ideas to organize, decorate, manage your kitchen in several ways. There could be several tricks and techniques as well. But as per my understanding, if you do not have the planning, even though you are going to apply any tricks and techniques, it is not going to function as per your need. So plan beforehand. चलिए देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या है. Ours is L-shaped kitchen, as you can see. And we divide our kitchen in 3 different sections. Because of the oven, we wanted this area not that busy. So we dedicated it to the oven, water boiler, and upper section contains all the supplies for coffee and green tea. This area is majorly used to have tea and coffee, and rest of the counter space is being utilized when the food is prepared and ready to go to the dining table. Keeping the supplies inside the cabinet gives us the counter space which might be needed, and at the same time we do not have to hassle too much and roam around here and there to look for things which we are needing. Cooking and chopping area. This is one of the busiest area of our kitchen, and what goes inside your stomach is decided and prepared over here itself. Hence, this is the busiest area. We wanted to keep something which was manageable, cleanable, movable, and at the same time useful. So we dedicated this corner to this oil containers. On this ceramic plate, we have this broken brush which help us to use our 3-pin socket for 2-pin equipments. Behind that, you will see there is a chopping board which has been needed to chop fruits and vegetables. And just next to it, you can see there is a dry mat which has been needed by us when we keep anything wet on the countertop. Now even this dry mat is easily movable, cleanable, and it gets dry very quickly. Above this counter, I have this open space where I like to keep only those things which is immediately needed, and at the same time I try to coordinate the cabinets with the counter. So if you can see, I have the plates and everything aligned to the counter wherein we can take the serving and pass it to the corner section. Beneath the open section, we have this paper roll and foil holder which actually solves the purpose, and we do not have to utilize the counter space. And similarly, we use this section with kitchen tool organizer which is beneath the hob to keep our ladles, spoons, knives, scissors, and what all over here. Now for knives, I will suggest that magnetic strip is also a good option. We are still figuring out where exactly we have to make a space for it, and so that we can utilize this particular function a little bit better. If you have any solution, definitely share with us. Until then, we are fine utilizing this particular space for that as well. And now, wash and wet corner. This particular corner is utilized to wash vegetables and fruits, and those utensils which are not that dirty, we usually wash it here. Rest, we have a different separate wet area for washing clothes and utensils. The upper cabinet has water filter which has been used to drink water and for cooking food. We also store some of the frequently used items inside it, hence it has the space. Beneath that, we have this rod installed which allows us to hang our pans and some of the items on this particular corner so that we can use it freely. Next to it, there is a window edge which allows us to keep all the kitchen cleaning agents along with the sanitizer. Beneath that, you can see there is a hand wash. There is a magic sponge which actually soaks lots and lots of water, and because of the tap's incorrect alignment, we usually get lots of water on that corner. We also have the cleaning wipe which has been regularly used to clean the kitchen counters. Now, all of these things might look very overwhelming at first, but if you are used to it, it gets into your function. One has to take the effort of knowing and understanding the space first of all. That way the space will get friendly to you, and at the same time you will know where exactly you have to function how. Practice and make changes. Try to know your space. That is how you are going to make the difference. You will keep on changing things as per your needs and necessity, and you will try to learn what works better for you. Now you guys must be thinking, why exactly I am cooking and showing it to you, that how do I cook and what exactly I am cooking. So let me tell you, I am cooking bread poha, and this is the first time I'm trying this recipe. Why I'm showing this is because hence there is a start of process, there is always end of process. And managing kitchen is not one day process. It's going to be there every day. And if you have to manage your countertop or any particular place, you have to do it on and off every day, every now and then. Then only you are going to get the result which you are expecting. That's why I'm taking this much of time to share this information with you so that I can end up this video. Rest and all, I think you might have liked this video. If you have liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. If there is any question, drop on the comment section. If there is anything else which I can help you guys with, let me know and I'll be glad to come back with something new. इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो एंड करते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय.